How to buy Tron with credit cards. CoinSwitch provides an easier way to buy Tron with a credit card, Master or Visa, anywhere in the world at the best available rates. At CoinSwitch, you can compare current Tron rates across all major exchanges, and buy TRX with a credit card instantly in just 3 clicks. Read below the simple instructions to buy Tron anonymously from all the major fiat currencies, such as USD, US dollar, Euro, JPY, Japanese yen, Rub, Russian ruble, AUD, Australian dollar. Step-by-step guide to buy Tron with credit card. Buying Tron is quick and simple with CoinSwitch. Here is the step-by-step guide to purchasing Tron with a credit card. Step 1. Enter the USD amount and select the exchange with the best price. Step 2. Enter your Tron TRX address. Step 3. Make the payment with your credit card. That's it. Once your payment is received, the TRX would be sent to your address. If you guys wanna know more about the power of 2 smart contract, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and you can also visit on www.successteam.builders.